Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. This is part 5 of rebuilding 2 C4 transmission from parts. I'm going to continue to clean up the valves in this valve body. Instead of explaining and boring you, I'm just going to time lapse it. I'm done cleaning up this valve body. Everything's moving free and easy. I got the other portion of it in the ultrasonic cleaner right now. And separator plate's ready. Just need to bolt them together. And I'm going to put it in the Falcon, which means I get to drain trans fluid again. I just put my blue poly tarp under there. And stick the big drain pan under. Get my ratchet and socket for the drain plug. And while that's draining, I'll put this valve body together. Because the customer buying the one transmission wants it with a good shift kit. That valve body's got a pretty stout shift kit in it. So that's going to go in there. This one that I just rebuilt is going to go in the car, and I'm going to test that out. So I got to get busy. I pulled the other part out of the ultrasonic cleaner. There's still some passages in here that need to be cleaned. The ultrasonic cleaner would have done it if I gave it, 20 minutes or half hour longer, but I'm kind of impatient right now. I don't have a lot of time to be playing with the car. I have other things to do. So I'm going to scrub this up with some starting fluid and a brush. Make sure there's no grime in here. Then I can bolt it together and stick it in the car. It's clean. Just need to put it together. There's a check ball that goes in this little bathtub area here. And put some assembly go in there, kind of help glue it in position. Just like that. That'll stay there. There's another ball. Goes in this portion of the valve body. Another bathtub area. Right here. Put some go in there and shove a ball. These are just 0.217 inch diameter balls. Like a rubbery plastic. That's in there. See, the glue keeps it in there, won't fall out. Separator plate goes on. I've got about 47 gaskets. I'm going to get a new gasket for this. Be right back. Okay, there's the old one. Here's the new one. Clean this plate off. And when you do this, you want to make sure that every hole in the plate has a hole in the gasket. So I check it on both sides of the plate. Hold it up to the light, make sure every hole has a hole. And it does. So we're good to go. Clean the schmoo off this plate. There's a couple really small holes in this plate, you want to make sure that they're free. You know, they don't have anything blocking passage fluid. Good, good. Very good, very good. So I have a lot of confidence in this valve body working well also. I'm going to put it in the car, and if it's shifting good and everything in the car, it's just going to stay in there. All right. So this is going to go on here. Check balls in. Plate and gasket go on like that. There's one little bolt on this side of the plate. Just going to do it finger tight for now, just to keep plate from falling off of there. Now when this goes on, it's going to have a check. Well, see, I did that wrong already. This one, that check valve is in this other part of the valve body. See, that's one of the changes they made. In one year, or a lot of years, they had the filter, trans filter, hold that check valve in. And then starting in this year, whenever this was, 73, no, it'll be whatever this is, 74. They moved it. They moved it in to this other portion. It's going to set right in there. Then this plate is going to hold that in. That. Line everything up. Gasket and the plate, all the holes, the valve body. I'm gonna loosen that so I can shift it a little bit. Right there. Now this goes on. Making sure the check ball's in it, which it is. Check ball, yep. This. And this valve body had a retaining clip that held in that valve keeper. So I'm going to put that in here. This other bolt in there. Now I'm not tightening any of these yet because I want to get all the bolts in, make sure things are centered, then tighten them. Now we flip it over and start putting the rest of this stuff together. Got the valve body put in there. This one I just took out. That's the one that's got the shift kit. So now what I need to do, put the trans fluid in it, start up, take it for test drive. I went for the test drive, a short one, but it works. The valve body seems to work. And since I'm working on parts and I can't do anything on those two transmissions, I'm going to have to say that this is the end of part 5 on Dan's Messy Garage, rebuilding 2C4 transmission from parts. Thanks for watching my channel. Please stay tuned for updates and more. Bye.